We have another lazy girl meal prep.
Effortlessly.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we have another lazy girl meal prep. Y'all showed out on my last lazy girl meal prep, so I got another one for y'all. I didn't know I was a lazy girl meal prepper, but apparently I am, because we're back at it again. It seems like I just be getting busier and busier. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but that also means I don't have as much time to cook as I would want. So I did some makeup today. I did a client and she told me that Sprouts had some really good pre-made meals. So that's exactly what I did. I took my ass up to Sprouts. The meals were actually buy one, get one 50% off. I mean, Sprouts is expensive. So like even with the 50% off, I was like, it didn't do the 50%. And then he was like, it did. Oh, okay. I only got a couple things just because I know myself. I will buy a bunch of food for meal prep and I will never eat it. It's been times where I've showed y'all that I've meal prepped and did not eat that shit. I gotta stop. I have to be stopped. I got some Spicy Island jerk salmon. And then I got some black pepper beef saute. And then I got a zucchini. Now this salmon says that I can make it in the oven. I personally never made salmon in the oven. I was going to put it in the air fryer, but I'm gonna put it in the oven. We gonna see. I don't wanna waste another dish, so we're gonna put it in the oven. It says bake it on 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna do 25 because I like my salmon overcooked. Onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt, and we're gonna do a sprinkle of Cajun. Some slap yammy. I just realized I gotta make my bed. My bed.
The next day.
All right, y'all. It is the next day. I forgot to show y'all me making the rice, but I made it. I'm gonna do a little taste test because I have not tried this. Let's see. It's not bad. Is it just great? No, but it's edible. And it took me what? I want to say this entire meal prep took me maybe 40 minutes. I want to say not even an hour.